Good morning everyone. Today we will start 7th chapter of mathematics, that is more addition and subtraction. In this chapter we learn about different ways to add and subtract numbers up to 99, story sums based on addition and subtraction. So now let's start the chapter. First of all, adding single digit number and two digit number. So students, see this question. Here 5, 6, 56. This is a two digit number and 2. This is a single digit number. When we add 56 and 2, first of all we add ones place digits, that is 6 and 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Here we don't have any number in tens place, only 5 is there. So I write here 5. See this question. 6 plus 3, 9 and 2. This is the addition of single digit number and two digit number. Now addition by counting forward. We have to add 40 and 7. 40 plus 7. So we start from 40, count forward 7 places. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So students, see, when we count forward, start from 40 and go up to 7 places. We got 47. So when we add 40 plus 7, the answer is 47. Similarly, this question 46 plus 3, we start from 46. Now count forward 47, 48, 49. Okay. When we add 46 and 3, we get 49 as a result. See this question, last one. Count forward 4 from 51. Start from 51, count forward up to 4. 52, 53, 54, 55. So when we add 51 and 4, we get 55 as a result. Students, see this. Now we start addition of two digit number. Here we have to add 25 and 11. 25 plus 11. So first of all, write the numbers according to their place value. Write the number one below the other like this. Write the digit in ones place below ones and tens place below tens. Okay. First add the digit in ones place digits. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Count the blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I write 6. Now add the digit in tens place digits. So students, see this. Here we have two tens and one tens. When we add two tens and one heads, we get 1, 2, 3. So I write here 3. Okay. So students, this is a addition of two digit number. So we can say that 25 plus 11 is equals to 36. 25 plus 11 is equal to 36. Now we are doing one more question of this type. We have to add 41 plus 17. First of all, write the numbers according to their place value like this. Ones digit in ones place and tens digit in tens place. First of all, we add ones place digits. Seven. Count the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we add 1 and 7, we get 8 as a result. Now we have to add tens place digits. So students, here we see this, we have 4 tens and 1 tens. When we add these 4 tens and 1 tens, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So I write here 5. So we can say that when we add 41 and 17 is equals to 58. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we start subtraction. Count backward and subtract. So students, see this. Count backward 5 from 46. Start from 46, count backward. 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Means when we subtract 5 from 46, we get 41 as a result. Similarly, see this question. Count backward 3 from 64. Start from 64, count backward 63, 62, 61. So when we subtract 3 from 64, we get 61 as a result. Okay, now students, we start subtraction of 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. So that we have to subtract 24 from 56. 24 from 56. First of all, write the numbers according to their place value like this. Now we have to subtract the digits in ones place first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we have to subtract 4 from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are left with 2. So I write here 2. Now subtract tens place digits. So students, see, we have to subtract 2 tens from 5 tens. So start subtraction 1, 2. We are left with 1, 2, 3. We are left with 3 tens. So we can say that when we subtract or minus 24 from 56, we get 32 as a result. I hope you got it very well. Now we start by using number line to solve the following sums. Using number line, we are doing addition and subtraction. See first question, 60 plus 4. So students, first of all, found 60 on this number line. 60 is here. Now for addition, count forward 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. This means when we add 4 in 60, we get 64 as a result. Next question, this is a sum of subtraction. So for this question, we have to count backward. So first of all, find here 70. Now count backward 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we count 5 steps backward, we reach 65. It means when we subtract 5 from 70, we get 65. Similarly, next question. First of all, found the 30 on number line. 30 is here. Now, this is the sum of addition, so count forward. 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, when we add 8 in 30, we get 38 as a result. Last question. 50 minus 3. This is a question of subtraction. So, count backward. Found 50. Now 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. We reach 47. It means when we subtract 3 from 50, we get 47 as a result. Okay students, now we start story sums. Samina bought 15 flowers from a florist. Then she bought 12 more flowers. How many flowers did she buy in all? In all means addition. See, 15 flowers. First, she has 15 flowers and then she bought 12 flowers more. So now add. First we add ones place digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Now count in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We get 7. Now add tens place. 1, 2. We have, when we add 1 tens and 1 tens, we get 2 tens. So it means Samina bought 27 flowers in all. Next, Jubi blew 34 balloons for a party. 13 of them burst out. 34 उसके पास थे, 13 balloons टूट गए. How many balloons are left with her? Left means subtraction. So first of all, we subtract ones place digits. We have to subtract 3 from 4. 1, 2, 3. We are left with 1. Similarly, tens place. We have to subtract 1 tens from 3 tens. So I subtract 1. Now left with 2. So I write here 2. Jubi was left with 21 balloons in all. So dear students, this is all about our chapter more addition and subtraction. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.